Hello everyone, my name is Roman Kornev and you are on the channel about professional trading. This week, most likely, the dollar will fall. It will be on Wednesday. We're going to discuss that news now, and even though the dollar has been falling all last week, if you're standing on the euro dollar to sell, hold on. The euro dollar could rise even more. We're going to discuss that in a moment. I will also show the currency pair that is best to trade with my trading robot, Fly Dynamic. By the way, if you haven't tried it yet, write in the description to me at the link. I will tell you how to get it for free. I will also show you my reversal points directly on the chart in the MetaTrader platform. So, here we go. The euro dollar is rising and will most likely continue to rise further. Why do I think so? Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Look, when there were such strong candles, powerful, growing candles, then most likely there was more growth after that. The price continued to grow. Now all of a sudden there is a powerful candle like this. Let's take a closer look. H4 time frame. And if the price goes back up, the nearest rebound from where it can rebound and let's say make money on it is this mirror support line. That was the resistance line. By the way, I gave a signal in this place in my VIP channel. The price rebounded here and we earned more than 200 pips on it. By the way, I also gave this signal in my last issue. Well, if you want to receive selected signals, which I trade myself, if you want to save time for analysis, or if you are just starting to study the financial market to save time and see at once the exact, let's say, places where the price turns, then subscribe to my Telegram. Write to me at the link in the description. I will tell you how to subscribe. But before the euro dollar reaches this reversal point, it can still give a wave up. So, if you use risk management in selling, don't take risks. Make sure you limit your risks because everyone is going to wait now that the price is going to go down and it could still go up. Now, let's look at a piece of news that could push the euro dollars even higher. Look, there's going to be news on Wednesday, March 12th. The consumer price index for February, and the previous reading was 0.5% and the forecast is 0.3%. That's bad news for America, and that means that if the data is confirmed and it's worse than predicted, the dollar is likely to fall, and the euro dollar, that is the most popular currency pair on which we trade the dollar, may rise sharply when the news is released. By the way, in order not to miss this news, subscribe to my Telegram channel. 30 minutes before the news release, I warn everyone and we make money together. By the way, if you are attentive, you will notice that on the same day, there will be news on the Bank of Canada interest rate decision, and the past value, or rather the current value of 3%, is projected to be an unknown value. And so, to make sure you don't miss it and find out what it is, make sure you subscribe to my Telegram. I'll let you know when the projected value is. By the way, note that if the price does reach the mirror support line of 105,316 this week, and at that moment, on that day, the news of lower inflation in America comes out, it will, of course, spur the growth. By the way, if some terms seem complicated, incomprehensible to you, you are just starting to study the financial market, then don't get upset. Be sure to take my basic course on trading for beginners, especially since it is available completely free of charge. If you are going to trade, you need a brokerage account. Open a brokerage account via the link in the description of this video. Write to me in Telegram, and when you fund your account, I will give you access to this course for free. Well, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel Zen, where you watch me on YouTube. I have 7 platforms where I publish my videos. Be sure to subscribe and every week watch my videos with reversal points that I make money on myself, publish in my VIP channel, and help beginners to make money in the Forex market. Now, let's take a look at some more currency pairs, and I will show the reversal points that you can make money on this week. Euro-British pound currency pair, here is the support line. You can buy from here and make money on the upside. When the price comes to this line, there will be a reversal most likely, and you can make money on the growth. That is, with high probability, these reversal points help us to enter the market accurately. Currency pair Euro and Japanese Yen. Last week I gave these signals and the price has not yet reached the resistance line. But we can see that the price has gone up. It has gone up quite a bit right here and it is moving to the resistance line. Therefore, in this place, as soon as the price reaches the resistance line, it is likely to reverse and we will make money on the decline here. The next currency pair is the Australian dollar to the Canadian dollar. I will not give a signal on this currency pair, but I want to show that last week I gave a signal from the Fibonacci 61.8 line. And look, please, you can see here, it even stayed behind how exactly the price broke away from the Fibonacci line. I just want to say that right now, at the moment, the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar is listening to the Fibonacci line very well. And that's why it's worth taking a closer look at this currency pair in your trading. Here is look, here is the next wave I will take. Here I am analyzing it in front of you. Here I am making a Fibonacci grid. And look what we see. We see how clearly the price has broken away from the 61.8 zone. That is, it tells us that the price is likely to break away from such zones several times in the nearest future. So, if you know how to build Fibonacci grids yourself, take a closer look. If not, come to my course, we study it all, I tell you how to use them. So, let's move on. The British pound to the Japanese yen is in such a sideways trend. By the way, on this currency pair, it is not bad to run my trading robot in buy and sell mode at the same time. What is that? It is when the robot both buys and sells at the same time and builds independent order grids in both directions. And no matter where the price goes, it will make money. Why? Because the price goes in a sideways trend, up and down, constantly turns around, and the robot collects profit. Look, here we have a resistance line. Who trades manually? From here, you can sell and make a profit on the decline. Well, if the price goes down, there is a reversal point here. I also leave it. From it, you can buy and make money on growth. Well, the trading robot can be launched right now. It will show profit right now. If you have not yet tried my trading robot, write to me at the link in the description. I will tell you how to get it for free. The next currency pair is the Australian dollar. Here, time frame M30. The price broke through this mirror support line. Look, it was already a support line. Then it became a mirror resistance line. There has already been a confirmation. And when the price comes back to this resistance line again, it is highly likely to break away from it. So, as soon as the price reaches this line, you can sell and make money on the decline. Don't miss this moment. Set an alert. This is a very good signal. Well, these are the signals for this week. I wish everyone a successful trading week. Subscribe to the channel to not miss new releases. Subscribe to the Telegram channel not to miss the news about inflation in America and dollar decline 30 minutes before the news. I'm warning everyone, the channel already has almost 2,000 subscribers. So be sure to subscribe. Follow the news, interesting information. Useful, especially if you are just starting to study the financial market. I wish everyone a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Bye-bye.